There's an exercise that I do with the ladies each and every time we come together. I do it in my individual sessions, I do it in my group sessions, where I actually have them to look at themselves in a mirror. Sometimes it's a handheld mirror, sometimes it's a full body mirror, because often we don't really look at ourselves deeply. And this mirror exercise allows us to go on the inside in a deep sort of a way. And often it's uncomfortable when the women begin to do it. But when they're done with it, lives are changed, movement is had, positivity actually takes place, and it's like a rebirthing that we see right before one another's eyes. And sometimes a woman is not even able to walk up to the mirror alone. And so another woman will support her, go take her by hand and walk with her up to the mirror. And it's just amazing what then happens. Today there was an experience where two women walked up to the mirror and they were experiencing the same exact things, and they had not ever even met one another. And so it's that kind of work that makes me know for a fact that this assignment is God-filled and is given to me by Him.